Hello, it's Big Chad's. This is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube, Chad's Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I am a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we are going to talk about the three Buddha top or bearish reversal, the three Buddha. Now you're wondering, what is a three Buddha, Chad? Did you just make that up? Well, I assure you, I did not. Here is a three Buddha. Here's a three mountains, and I'll have a separate video on that. And you'll say, Chad, it looks just like a head and shoulders. Well, it really is. It's actually just a Japanese candlestick version of the classical charting version of a head and shoulders top. Here's another image. This is from the CMT textbook, three river bottom. Well, here we're doing three Buddha top. Now, really, here's the AI overview. Of course, you can just read it on your own time. Here's three Buddha. Here's another image. Now, again, the way to play this is going to be the same as the way we play a head and shoulders. You have a price advance up. You set that first Buddha, second Buddha, and then a third Buddha, and you come back. And you have the neckline. We're still going to call this the neckline or the neck baseline, even though it's three Buddhas. And normally, in typical construction, again, you're going to see the most volume on the first Buddha, a little bit less volume on the second Buddha. I have fun saying this one. And then even less, right? It's going to trend like this, trends down. The volume will trend down is the point. And then when the price breaks out, normally you're going to see an increase in volume to give you a little more confirmation in the trend break. And you do not always get, of course, this horizontal, neck base or Buddha line, construction. Sometimes you have a descending. Sometimes you have an ascending. And that's really up to you how you play these. I like to generally look for the best fit, horizontal level, because I'm looking to structure my risk that way. I'm looking to take a trade, based on this pattern breaking down. And then, of course, we have the way you would play the invalidation of a three Buddha top, as if the right Buddha, we have a break. Sorry, having fun with this one. You have a break of the right Buddha. Right? Just like the right shoulder. It's the exact same concept. So we're playing this exactly the same way as a head and shoulders top. So if you are a bear and you see the price advancing, you see it stalling, you've even got the volume, you've marked it out, you're ready. If you see an invalidation of the right Buddha or the right shoulder, if you will, then you take a trade. You take a long trade because a reversal pattern has been invalidated. And of course, lastly, your measured move will be the height from the head of the Buddha down to the neck baseline of the Buddha, roughly there, just visually. So we have three Buddha top. And this is for the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube, Chad's Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Folks, thank you so much. I will talk to you soon. Big Chads out.